Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check send emails in Gmail. So for this, the first step is to open the Gmail on this Android device. You can also open in iOS. So just tap to Gmail, and from here you will just tap on the top left corner of three lines of settings. So from here you will just scroll down and find the sent. So just tap to this sent. It shows you the sent email in Gmail. So this is the all record of your sent email in Gmail. So this is how you could find. It's very easy and simple. Just tap to the top left corner of settings and just find the sent. So just tap to send and you will see the all sent emails in Gmail. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.